Welcome to Impact Learning Tutorials, and this is a video about deviance in sport. So in this video we're going to understand what deviance is and how it affects sporting performance, and also be able to give some practical examples of deviance in sport. So what is deviance? Deviance is sporting behaviour that is different from accepting standards. It is when the rules of the game are broken severely to gain an advantage, or it could include acts of violence or serious cheating. So some examples of deviance are drug taking to improve performance. It could be deliberately handling the ball in football to prevent the opponent scoring a goal. It could be a coach or manager fielding an illegible player to gain an advantage over the other team. It could be a deliberate act of violence towards the opponent, or it could even involve, in a very severe situation, fixing the outcome of a match. So it could be paying the other team to deliberately let a goal in on that point, or it could be putting large amounts of money on certain outcomes so that you can make more money back. So why does deviance happen? The pressure to win is even greater in elite sport these days. There could be a lack of positive role models within the sport. So if the main people at the top of the sport are showing signs of corruption, then people haven't got much to look up to. There could be a lot of pressure from the coach to win at all costs, even if that involves cheating. And also, another reason that deviance can happen is because punishments are too lenient if the rules are broken. So if someone does take drugs, if the punishment is really lenient, more people are going to want to do it because they're not going to get a really, really severe ban. And also, a final reason why deviance happens is because of stress. So if you become very, very stressed in the elite environment, sometimes it's better to break the rules to get the outcome you want, to take the pressure off yourself. We hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe to keep up to date with our latest tutorials.